Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Look at this, man. It is time to cut the hedges again. Things got way out of control. It's been just such a busy month. So I've got my cordless hedger here and we're going to go to town on this. But what I want to show you today is a great hack that I've been using for a long time here. Because most of you are going to sit here and just trim all of these hedges here. All these leaves and branches are going to fall everywhere. And you have piles and piles to rake up. But I have a question for you. Why should you have to do that at all? Because trying to rake up all of these leaves here when it gets all over the mulch is pretty hard to do because you'll end up just stirring it into the mulch. And sometimes blowing it off doesn't always work either. So I have a better way to do it. Okay, so here's how my hack works. I take a roll of screen here, and I'll start right here, and we'll roll it down on the ground here in front of and underneath the bush. So what you're trying to do is put like a mat down here that's going to capture all of the leaves that get cut. So they'll land on your screen. This just provides a nice area of cover over your mulch. That way all of the branches and leaves and everything are going to land right on top of this screen here. See, you've already got some that landed on there. And remember to put it up under the hedge as much as you can get it under, so that all the branches that come down will land right on it. Hey, the other thing too is make sure you cut the cord and go with a cordless hedge clipper here. Now we did a review on this DeWalt hedge clipper here a few months back, so I'll put a link to that down in the description below for you so you can check it out for yourself. Now you can see the huge amount of leaves we've got here and twigs and all that. What I sometimes will do is just scoop up several bunches of it and throw it back behind the hedges in order to help feed them more. You know, why do you always have to throw these into the landfill? Why can't you just recycle them back and let them feed the hedge? So unless you have some specific reason why not, that's really one good way to get rid of a lot of these leaves. So I purposely left this part here unprotected so we could see what it looks like close up afterwards. But all I do is I take my screen and I just drag it up over itself, bring everything up close to the end, and you might lose a few leaves out the edges, so what? Now just bring it all right over here. It's all in one little spot now. Now we just wheel over our garbage can and dump these in there. That took all of about 10 or 15 seconds. And check out our mulched area, folks. It looks still nice and pristine. Only a couple of leaves here and there, but certainly we didn't have to rake anything. Then of course on the other end there's the leaves from the spot that we didn't protect. And that's the mess that awaits you when you don't put the screen down first. can see, it looks pretty clean here, both on the front and down the side. We didn't even bring out the rake at all. Looks beautiful. Well, so that was a pretty good hack, huh? Hey, and if you found this video informational so far, do us a favor, would you please give us a thumbs up down below? That lets us know that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button down below because you don't want to miss any of our videos. Just click the little gray bell icon next to it, and that will tell YouTube to alert you every time we upload a new video. Hey, that's it for this week, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.